Okay, so now we're going to go over 26 and 27. We did 25 in a separate video, so if you want to see that, feel free to watch that one. So first we drew the picture. Alright, so circle O just means draw a circle centered at O. And then tangents TR and TS from point T. So we put T on the outside. So points R and S have to be on the circle. We connect those. Alright, and these have to be congruent to each other because they're tangent segments from the same point outside the circle. Alright, and also they said this angle right here is 36 degrees. So that's how we set it up. Alright, now for 36, it says draw radii OS and OR. Okay, now before I even read further, when you draw a radius to a tangent line, it's always going to form a right angle. Alright, those are going to always be a right angle. So imagine like a tire on a road. Okay, where that tire hits the road, you would go straight up to the middle, to the center of the tire. Alright, and that radius would always form a right angle with the road. Okay, so like no matter how you draw it, whether it's like this, okay, where that point of tangency hits this line, it's going to form a right angle with the radius. So we know that. Then it says find ORS and OSR. Alright, so I kind of drew this weird. So that would look like this. So like ORS would be this angle right here. So since these are both radiuses here, that's going to form an isosceles triangle. So like OR to RS to OS, it's going to form an isosceles triangle. So we need to find what angle O is. Now angle O is part of quadrilateral ORST, and all those angles add up to 360. So if we're looking for angle O, we would subtract 90 and 90, and then also, so that gives us 180, and then subtract 36, and we get 144 for angle O. Alright, because again, we have this quadrilateral here. So we subtract all those angles to get the remaining angle, the fourth angle, the quadrilateral. Alright, so now if I take this picture and kind of redraw it, looks like this. ORS, that's isosceles because those are radiuses. Alright, that's 144, which means that there's 36 degrees left in the triangle. So subtract that, and then divide that by 2. So you get each of these angles are 18 degrees.